A very warm good evening to our esteemed chief guest, respected principal ma'am, respected Anjali ma'am, parents, teachers, distinguished guests, and all my dear friends.
Tonight, we gather not just to celebrate another successful year, but to witness the culmination of hard work, dedication, and boundless creativity of our students at St. View International.
Welcome to St. View International's Annual Day, a vibrant tapestry of talent, a symphony of performances, and a celebration of a shared journey. A night where dreams take center stage and come to life through vibrant performances.
Tonight, you'll see these dreams taking flight, expressed through captivative dances, thought-provoking plays, and thrilling acts.
So sit back, relax, and prepare yourselves to be mesmerized by the incredible talent that graces our stage.
Now, let the magic begin. Our first performance is a captivating dance presentation by the most little tots of a school on song Papa Mere Papa. So let's give a huge round of applause for them.
Tonight is a fusion of dedication, creativity, and hard work. Our performers have prepared now. It's time for them to shine. Every act tonight is a masterpiece. Every moment, a story. A celebration of hard work, dedication, and artistry. An evening that promises to be filled with excitement, joy, and applause. Get ready to witness the culmination of months of preparation. The best performances are the ones that come straight from the heart. Every moment tonight is crafted to inspire. Talent is about courage, and tonight we celebrate that courage.
चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, मेरे पापा,
ऐसे नहीं रोते। मैं हूं ना आपके साथ।
एक दूसरे की जान है, इनका प्यार यहाँ की शान है।
हो प्यारी अदाओं से वो दिल बहलाता है।
दुनिया में आते जाते वो प्यार लुटाता है।
सागर ने पूछा नैया से, नैया ने पूछा खेवैया से,
सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, मेरे पापा,
पापा, तेरे पापा।
चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है?
पापा, तेरे पापा।
पापा,
better way to love and appreciate our lovely fathers for their hard work for the family.
Incredible dancer. They showed us that fathers are definitely worth the appreciation. The dancers beautifully conveyed the emotion and artistry of Papa Mere Papa.
Now our next is a vibrant and energetic performance on the ever so catchy Chanda Chamke Chum Chum. So put your hands together, make some noise and get ready to witness the performance that's pure Bollywood magic. Give a huge round of applause for them.
Tonight is a fusion of dedication, creativity and hard work. Our performers have prepared. Now it's time for them to shine. Every act tonight is a masterpiece. Every moment a story. An unforgettable show awaits and you are the special guest. A heart of this function beats with creativity, passion and unity. This isn't just a performance, it's a showcase of dreams. An evening where the magic of talent is woven into every act. Here's to a night where every performance leaves a mark. Let's make tonight a celebration of passion, creativity and dreams. This stage is about to explode with creativity. When passion meets performance, the magic happens. It's not just a function, it's a masterpiece in the making.
चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीती चाटी चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोर चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीती चाटी चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोर कितना मुश्किल ये गाना जरा गा के दिखाना चंदा चीनी चमके चाटे चौकन्ना चीखे चोर चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीती चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोर
खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियां, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह।
खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियां, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह। कितना मुश्किल ये गाना जरा गा के दिखाना
खड़क खड़क के खड़के खिड़के खड़क सिंह का खड़के जोर चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीती चाटी चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोर
चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोर
पके पेड़ पर पका पपीता, पका पेड़ या पका पपीता, पके पेड़ को पकड़े पिंकू, पिंकू पकड़े पका पपीता। बोलो।
पके पेड़ पर पका पपीता पकड़ा पिंकी पपी का कपड़ा
कपड़ा।
पके पेड़ पर पका पपीता पका पेड़ या पका पपीता पके पेड़ को पकड़े पिंकू, पिंकू पकड़े पका पपीता। कितना मुश्किल ये गाना जरा गा के दिखाना
पके पेड़ को पकड़े पिंकू, पिंकू पकड़े पका पपीता। चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोर चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोर
कितना मुश्किल ये गाना जरा गा के दिखाना चंदा चीनी
चमके चाटे
चौकन्ना चीखे चोर
चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोर
first, wow, wasn't that absolutely fantastic? Those dancers were on fire. The energy, the costumes, the moves, everything was just perfect.
Their synchronization and the sheer joy they exuded while performing was a delight to watch. Let's give them another huge round of applause.
Now our next is a vibrant and energetic performance. Now our performance on the ever so catchy Golmaal.
Next is our performance. Get ready to witness the woodland of talent as our incredible dancers take the stage with a performance that's guaranteed to leave you cheering for more. So put your hands together for the next performance on the song Golmaal.
Give a huge round of applause.
Get ready to witness a night where memories are made and legends are born. Tonight is the night we turn ordinary into extraordinary. It's not just an annual gathering, it's a celebration of success. If you think you have seen it all, wait till you see what we have got planned tonight. Get ready for an unforgettable night of laughter, surprises, and inspiration. We rise, we shine, and we make history together. The stage is set, the lights are bright, and the best part of the year is here. Tonight we shine brighter than ever before. Raise your glasses because this night is all about celebration. It's time to leave the ordinary behind and embrace the extraordinary. Buckle up because this is going to be a ride of a lifetime. When great minds come together, greatness follows. This is more than just an event, it's an explosion of energy and creativity. Tonight, we are not just here to participate, we are here to dominate. It's not just a gathering, it's a celebration of everything we have achieved.
हेलो हाय नमस्ते सलामा आ गए फिर से करने हंगामा बोरिंग लम्हों को करते गुलाबी जश्न रुकने न देंगे जरा भी अपना फेमस है याद आना अपने संग तू भी आ जाना छोड़ दुनिया से शर्माना जोरों जोरों से तू चिल्लाना
Golmaal, everything's gonna be Golmaal, everything's gonna be Golmaal. गम को ए यार उल्लू बना दे, खुल के तू मुस्कुराना, छोड़ फिक्रों की घंटी बजाना, दिल की ढोलक बजाना,
सीधी होठों पे ले आना मौज मस्ती हो रोजाना जोश कितना है दिखलाना जोरों जोरों से तो चिल्लाना
Golmaal, Golmaal, everything's gonna be Golmaal, Golmaal, everything's gonna be Golmaal.
हेलो हाय नमस्ते सलामा आ गए फिर से करने हंगामा बोरिंग लम्हों को कर दे गुलाबी जश्न रुकने न देंगे जरा भी अपना फेमस है याद आना अपने संग तू भी आ जाना छोड़ दुनिया से शर्माना
a celebration of laughter, friendship, and non-stop entertainment.
Wow, what an incredible performance. Let's give a huge round of applause to our phenomenal dancers. They truly captured the spirit of Golmaal.
Thank you, dancers, for that electrifying performance. You were absolutely brilliant.
Next up, we have a performance that's so fibery and vibrant as itself the song. The song is all about attitude, energy, and that undeniable Bollywood tadka. A song that embodies the energy and the attitude.
Get ready to witness a fusion of talent and imagination. Tonight is proof that when we come together, amazing things happen. A spectacular show awaits. Don't blink or you might miss it. The stage will echo with the sound of pure talent. It's not just a performance, it's a work of art. Every performer has a story, and tonight they'll tell it. Step into a world of creativity, talent, and brilliance. It's time to put on a show that will be remembered for years. A celebration of every moment, every effort, and every dream. Let the music, movement, and magic fill the air tonight. Every act tonight is a masterpiece, and you are in front row. The night may be over, but the memories we have created will last a lifetime.
दिन नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया नासिक के ढोल पे धन 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 नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया मेरे इशारे पे तो दिन दिन नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया नासिक के ढोल पे धन 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 नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया सारी दुनिया में एक ही फेमस है मुंबई हो या और दिखा दूं तुझे मेरा वाला डांस ये मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू ये मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू ये मेरा वाला डांस एक तेरे खातिर ही दिल ये पॉसेसिव है मैं तेरे पीछे पड़ा असर तेरा मैसिव है हाँ, एक तेरे खातिर ही दिल ये पॉसेसिव है मैं तेरे पीछे पड़ा असर तेरा मैसिव है
मैंने लाखों को लॉक करके ही तुझको दिया है दिखा दे मुझे तेरा वाला डांस देखूं तो मैं कैसा है ये तेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू
ये है मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू ये है मेरा वाला डांस
A huge round of applause for our sensational dancers. You truly set the stage on fire. That was Mera Wala dance at its absolute best. Let's give him another thunder sound of applause.
What better way to kick off our dance performance than with a song, as it is electrifying. It is unforgettable. A song that celebrates the embody, the spirit, the adventure, and the sheer joy of uninhibited expressions.
Ladies and gentlemen, now get ready to be blown away by a performance that's hotter than the desert wind, more dazzling than 1,000 stars, and as irresistible as a giggle fit. So put your hands together, make some noise, and get ready to groove on the legendary masterpiece song, Hawa Hawaii.
Let's give them another huge round of applause.
Let's give it up for our incredible dancers who are about to set the stage on fire. They have got the moves, they have got the energy, and they are ready to bring the house down. Get ready for the whirlwind of color, a symphony of rhythm, and a performance that will leave you breathless.
The stage is about to explode with creativity. When passion meets performance, the magic happens. It's not just a function, it's a masterpiece in the making. Get ready to witness the finest talents unfold before your eyes. The spotlight is on and the stage is ready to shine. Every movement tonight is crafted with dedication and love.
Wow, just wow, what an incredible performance. Give it up one more time for our amazing dancers. They absolutely nailed it. That was pure magic. A true tribute to the iconic Shri Devi and unforgettable Hawa Hawaii.
The performance has definitely set the bar high for the rest of the evening. But don't worry, we have plenty more surprises in the store.
The energy is rising, the excitement is building, and now it's time for our next performance on the song Oh Ho Ho Ho. Give a huge round of applause.
Let's welcome.
Brace yourself for a night full of laughter, joy, and pure magic. If there is one night to remember, it's tonight. It's more than a gathering, it's the ultimate celebration of success. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Tonight, we are not just attendees, we are trendsetters. Here's to creating new memories, new connections, and new successes. Let's turn this gathering into a legendary tale. This is not just a function, it's an experience. Let the rhythm of excitement carry us through this unforgettable tonight. When great minds come together, greatness follows. This is more than just an event, it's an explosion of energy and creativity. Tonight, we are not just here to participate, we are here to dominate. It's not just a gathering, it's a celebration of everything we have achieved. The best memories are made when we are together. Let's create those tonight.
याद च तेरी मैं तां जागा रातां नूं रोक न पावा अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं तारे गिन गिन याद च तेरी मैं तां जागा रातां नूं रोक न पावा अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं ओ हो 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 इश्क तेरा तड़पावे मौसम तेरी जुदाई दा एक पल भी मैं भुल न पावा तेरी मिठियां बातां नूं रोक न पावा अखियां विचों गंदियां बरसातां नूं ओ हो हो इश्क तेरा तड़पावे रोशन कीता मैं तो तेरिया रावां नूं तुम लेके मैं हलिया तेरे वाल सुकदियां ठंडियां शावां नूं दिल जला के रोशन कीता मैं तो तेरिया रावां नूं तुम लेके मैं हलिया तेरे वाल सुकदियां ठंडियां शावां नूं समझ न पाई कि तुम मेरे प्यार भरे जज्बातां नूं रोक न पावा अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं ओ
The energy was contagious. Give a huge round of applause for this incredible performance of the evening.
That was truly spectacular. A perfect blend of rhythm, expression, and pure Bollywood magic. I am sure you all agree they left us saying, oh ho ho ho. Our next performance is a pure burst of energy. It is a celebration of the bond between the friends. And it is the energy and the suspicious we have inside us. So now let's welcome them.
Now get ready to be transported to a world of friendship, mischief and some seriously catchy tunes.
The song, Mere Badi Sun Zara.
Give a huge round of applause for them.
This is not just an event, it's the start of something legendary. We have reached new heights tonight. We celebrate the climb. Success is a journey, and tonight we celebrate every step. Tonight is about more than celebrating, it's about creating the future. Let's make it happen tonight. It's not just a gathering, it's an epic adventure. This night will go down as one of the best in history. When the best come together, greatness follows. Let's prove it tonight. Celebrate the journey and the memories we have made. Tonight, we make memories that will inspire generations to come. Let's light up the night with laughter, love, and unforgettable moments. The stage is set, the energy is high, and it's time to shine. Let's make tonight a night of legendary moments. Together, we create magic. Let's make it happen tonight. We have worked hard, we have achieved greatness, and now it's time to celebrate. Success is sweet, but tonight it's even sweeter. Tonight we go beyond ordinary, we make the impossible possible. Tonight we celebrate what we have achieved and set our sights on the future. Every moment tonight will be a reason to remember. This night is about creating memories, sharing success, and having a blast. Tonight, we are not just celebrating accomplishments, we are setting new goals.
मेरे बड़ी सुन जरा चलो करें कुछ मजा थोड़ी शरारत कुछ शैतानी काम कोई गड़बड़ का मेरे बड़ी सुन जरा चलो करें कुछ मजा थोड़ी शरारत कुछ शैतानी काम कोई गड़बड़ का Ain't nobody does it better No, 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 no Ain't nobody does it better Ain't nobody does it better No, 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 no Ain't nobody does it better चलो कहो वो क्या है कि जो ना हो तुम हंसो खुश रहो तुम जो चाहोगे होगा Hey, ain't nobody does it better No, 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 no Ain't nobody does it better Ain't nobody does it better No, 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 no Ain't nobody does it better Who the man? I the man. Who the man? You the man. I got the hip hop like nobody can. I can make the party rock. I can make your body rock. Kick down to the magic and move that land. Yeah. न तो चीखे न तो मर के खुशी पाई थी जी भर के जो तुमसे दोस्ती करके खुशी पाई बहुत ही तेज बच्चे हो मगर तुम दिल के अच्छे हो सच तो ये कि सच्चे हो मेरे भाई
मुझको है यही कहना संग मेरे सदा रहना सुनो वादा ये है ना मैं जो चाहूंगा होगा मेरी बड़ी सुन जरा चल करे कुछ मजा थोड़ी शरारत कुछ शैतानी काम कोई गड़बड़ का Ain't nobody does it better No 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 Ain't nobody does it better No 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 no
Ain't nobody does it better. No, 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 no. Ain't nobody does it better.
No 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 no
Ain't nobody does it better. No, 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 no. Ain't nobody does it better.
No 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 no
Ain't nobody does it better. No, 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 no. Ain't nobody does it better, baby.
Wow, wasn't that fantastic? Those moves were electrifying. Give it up one more time for our amazing dancers. They truly captured the spirit of the song and the joy of friendship. I'm sure we all have a buddy we'd love to groove with like that. A big thank you to our talented performers.
Tonight, we have a performance that's guaranteed to get you moving and grooving. So put your hands together and make some noise for our little dancers.
Now get ready to witness the song of friendship. It's a song that instantly brings a smile to your face. Give a huge round of applause for them.
So make some noise for them.
The journey to success is always better when we are together. Let's celebrate. Tonight is all about creating moments that will last forever. We are not just celebrating the past, we are shaping the future. Together, we can achieve anything, and tonight we celebrate that. This night is about fun, laughter, and celebrating every milestone along way. Success isn't just about what we have done, it's about what's coming next. Tonight, we are not just guests, we are the stars of the show. This night will be remembered for years to come. Together, we have achieved greatness, and now it's time to celebrate it. The energy is electric, and the excitement is contagious. Let's make tonight unforgettable. We have reached new heights. Let's celebrate the journey tonight. Tonight, we break boundaries, set records, and create memories.
तुझे नचा दूं मैं तक दिना दिन बीने पे जैसे है नाचती ना गिन आगे पीछे तेरे घूमू जैसे फूल पे करती मक्खी बिना बिन जरा तू हाथ उठा के कमरिया गोल घुमा के आजा मेरी फ्लोर पे दिल वाले से तू दिल लगा के
जश्नबाजी की शाम है जश्नबाजी की शाम है तेरे किट ताल पे ठुमके लगाए जालिमा जान ले वहाँ तेरी अदा जान ले वहाँ तेरी अदा दिल वाले भी का दिल चुराए जालिमा
तेरी शैतानियों से महफिल रंगीन हुई तू दीवाना हुआ मैं भी शौकीन हुई दुनिया जलती है तो जले दुनिया जलती है तो जले रात भर जालिमा के संग नचे जालिमा
जिंदगी है एक लतीफा दिल वालों का दिल खलीफा मारे मौके पे चौका ये तफरी करे
खुल के जीने का सलीका हमसे सीखो ये तरीका पल में सदियों की हम मौज तगड़ी करें
आओ तुम भी ले लो मजा आओ तुम भी ले लो मजा वरना दूर
जलती है तो जले, दुनिया जलती है तो जले, रात भर जालिमा के संग नचे जालिमा।
What a performance! I told you it was going to be a party. Thank you everyone for bringing so much energy and excitement to the stage. You truly capture the spirit.
A very good evening to all my dear parents. We have the guest of honor amongst us, respected Ranjana Tai Tilekar madam. I request ma'am to kindly come forward. Please come on the stage, ma'am. She is the senior corporator, BJP Pune Mahanagar Palipa. Please come forward, madam. I request respected Anjali ma'am to come forward and felicitate ma'am. Parents, a huge round of applause. Thank you very much, ma'am, for coming. Ma'am, please felicitate ma'am. Parents, a huge round of applause. Thank you very much for coming and giving us your precious time. We hope that you are enjoying this evening, and I do hope that all the parents are also enjoying the evening. Are you all enjoying, parents? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Yes. Parents, a huge round of applause for Ranjana Tai Tilekar madam and all our dear students. They have worked really very hard for it. So please stay tuned. We are starting the program immediately.
Well, now get ready to witness a dance explosion. Our amazing kids are ready to bring the house down with their electrifying moves and enthusiasm. They have been working all long day and practicing long day. So put your hands together for them.
So let's welcome our performance, and it is going to be a thrilling performance. Let's give a huge round of applause for the upcoming performance on Party To Banti Hai.
Tonight is a celebration of all the hard work, dedication and passion we have put in. It's not just a night, it's the ultimate celebration of everything we have achieved. Get ready for a night filled with surprises, excitement and unforgettable moments. Tonight we celebrate our past and look forward to a future full of promise. Let's make tonight unforgettable, filled with moments that will last forever. We have come so far, and tonight we celebrate every milestone. When we come together, magic happens. Let's make tonight unforgettable. This is not just an event, it's the start of something legendary. We have reached new heights tonight. We celebrate the climb. Success is a journey, and tonight we celebrate every step. Tonight is about more than celebrating, it's about creating the future.
हमसे ना ऐसे वैसे पकड़ो ओहो और गर्दन हित में जारी रहे अपनी लिमिट में रहो हेलो हेलो अब तो हाँ अपनी बारी रे लिटल बिट झटका जिसे दिया वो लटका फेमस होने लगी अपनी पागल बनती रे पार्टी तो पार्टी तो पार्टी पार्टी तो बनती है पार्टी तो बनती है पार्टी तो बनती है पार्टी तो बनती है पार्टी अपनी जारी है सब अपनी जिम्मेदारी है पार्टी अपनी जारी है सब अपनी जिम्मेदारी है हम हैं किंग हमारा जैसा कौन है, रब ही तो हमारी बैकबोन है। सभी को मिलकर प्रेम जाके हमने बाजी मारी है, रेडी शेडी होके आजा कितने भी नर नारी है। खुशी में आज करनी बैड बनती रे, पार्टी तो पार्टी तो पार्टी तो पार्टी तो बनती है, और पार्टी तो बनती है, पार्टी तो बनती है, पार्टी तो बनती है। Unstoppable है अब तो ब्रांड लेबल, सब करते फिल्म खुला ताकि अंडर द टेबल। पूरा भर का दूध तेरी गंदी है करतूत, बातों से तू समझ न पाए तू लाता का दूध। तेरे गंदे गंदे स्कैम तेरा पूरा हो गया टैप, मुझसे ज्यादा गट्स से आजा दूर करूं तेरे वैम। अब तेरी खुलेगी पोल, इज्जत के बजेंगे ढोल, तेज दिखा ना पाएगा जब होंगे एग्जिट पोल। हमारी अपनी दारी है, सब अपनी जिम्मेदारी है। पार्टी तो बनती है, और पार्टी तो बनती है।
Give it up for our fantastic dancers. That was absolutely incredible. What a performance. I told you, party to banti hai. They truly captured the spirit of the song and brought so much joy to the stage.
Thank you, dancers, for that electrifying performance. You were all amazing. And thank you, audience, for your wonderful energy and appreciation. Let's keep the party going.
So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now get ready for the next performance that embodies strength, determination and the spirit of never giving up. That has become an anthem for the resilience, Dhakad.
Give it up for our incredible dancers. They are about to unleash their inner Dhakad on the stage. They have poured their heart and soul into this performance, and they are ready to say that what it means to be truly unstoppable. So now let's welcome them.
This is the night where we shine the brightest and make history. Let the celebration begin. This is the highlight of the year. Get ready for an evening that'll make your heart race with excitement. Tonight, we are not just gathering, we are making magic happen. Tonight is not just a function, it's an experience of a lifetime.
निक्कर और टी शर्ट पहन के आया साइकिल लोन, निक्कर और टी शर्ट पहन के आया साइकिल लोन, लगा के फोन बता दे सबको बच के रहियो बागड़ बिल्ली से, चंडीगढ़ से या दिल्ली से, तने चारों खाने चित कर देगी, तेरे पुर्जे फिट कर देगी, डट कर देगी, तेरे दांव से बड़क पेच पलट कर देगी, चित कर देगी, चित कर देगी। ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है। राचौरिया ये चोरिया, तेरी अकड़ की रस्सी जल जाएगी, पकड़ में इसकी आग है, यो ऊंची टेप से नापेगी, तेरी कितनी ऊंची नाक है, तेरी सांसें अटक जाएगी, वो जोर पटक जाएगी, तने चारों खाने चित कर देगी, तेरे पुर्जे फिट कर देगी, डट कर देगी, तेरे दांव से बढ़कर पेच पलट कर देगी, चित कर देगी, चित कर देगी। ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है। स्पीड सुपर फास्ट बड़ी छोरी दे पर जात बड़ी पाता इसने झूठेगा जो पीता फिर गीता बनी चीता इससे पहले के पपीता गिरे झाड़ से धाड़ से पछाड़ गई तो बिना उखाड़ना उखाड़ गई जितने टाइम में तू देख पाए पल के झपक कर लपक कर निकल जाएगी राइफल की बुलेट को भी टक्कर दे जाएगी तन्ने चारों खाने जित कर देगी तन्ने चारों खाने जित कर देगी तेरे पुरजे फिट कर देगी लिट कर देगी दांव से बड़ा कैच पलट कर देगी जित कर देगी जित कर देगी ऐसी धक्कर है धक्कर है ऐसी धक्कर है ऐसी धक्कर है धक्कर है ऐसी धक्कर है ऐसी धक्कर है धक्कर है ऐसी धक्कर है ऐसी धक्कर है धक्कर है ऐसी धक्कर है।
Wow, they're just amazing. Tonight they showed us that we all have a Dhakad inside us. No matter the obstacles, we can overcome anything with determination and hard work. Let's take that spirit with us and conquer the world.
Give it up for our incredible dancers. They truly capture the spirit of Dhakad. The energy is rising, the excitement is building. Get ready to witness a performance that's all about fun, friendship and fantastic moves.
So let's welcome our next group for the dance with the energy, transmittable rhythms and some amazing moves on the song Kamariya. Give a huge round of applause for them.
Let's welcome them. Make some noise for them.
It's a celebration of our collective success. It's time to reflect, rejoice, and make some unforgettable moment. Tonight, the night we celebrate the journey and embrace the future. Let's ignite the night with energy, laughter, and celebration. We don't just make memories, we make history. Here's to a night that will leave us with stories and tell for years. Prepare to be amazed. This night is going to be legendary. We have achieved so much, and tonight we celebrate with all our heart.
Oh, hello!
झमाझम नाच आजे धमाधम ढोल बाजे नॉन स्टॉप हल्ला मचेगा ओए नाचो सारे अपनी फेमस है रात वाली यारियां जाले सारा जहां बेथलपुर मां सुन ले ओ छोरियां झूमे नगरियां जब जब ये घूमे हमारी यार तारी कमरिया यार तारी कमरिया बेथलपुर मां सुन ले ओ छोरियां झूमे नगरियां जब जब ये घूमे हमारी यार तारी कमरिया तारी कमरिया
चला भी रैप पकड़ने
सूरत से सीधा अहमदाबाद आया खेलने के लिए संग डांडिया भिलाया Tell me baby girl what is your name मुझे पहली नजर में हो गया है तुमसे प्रेम
फंकी फीलिंग है क्यों होना जज्बाती
जज्बाती क्यों होना जज्बाती
छोरे स्वाग वाले छोरियां है नखराती
नखरे दिखाती
एक बस यही बात बोले रिपीट पे हम जैसा कोई कहा बेथलपुर मां सुन ले ओ छोरियां झूमे नगरियां जब जब ये घूमे हमारी यार तारी कमरिया तारी कमरिया बेथलपुर मां बाबो वाग्यो ने मारो सूतो सोनीडो जाग्यो जवान लाल भमरिया
for our incredible dancers. That was fantastic. Let's show them some love with a huge round of applause.
As it said, tonight we have a spectacular lineup of performance, and we are moving towards the next performance, that is a dance performance on the song Sholay from the blockbuster RRR. It is a celebration of courage, friendship and the indomitable human spirit, the values we cherish here at Saint View International.
Our dancers have been working tirelessly to bring you these performances that showcases their incredible talent. Give a huge round of applause for them.
Let's welcome our talented performers.
Let's turn tonight into a celebration so extraordinary it'll be remembered forever. We have made it this far. Let's finish the year with a bang. The night is young and so is the energy. Let's make it one to remember. Every year gets better and tonight we take it to new heights. Let's raise the bar higher tonight and always. This evening will be full of surprises, laughter and joy. Let's dive in. This isn't just a function, it's the event of the year. Tonight we come together as one and make it a night to remember. This gathering is about more than just a celebration. It's a declaration of our future success. We have worked hard, we have achieved greatness, and tonight we celebrate every step. This night is full of promise, potential, and pride. Let's make it unforgettable. Tonight we are writing the next chapter of our incredible journey. We don't just create memories, we create moments that define us. The moment that make us stronger, happier, and more successful. This is the night where we honor the past and set the stage for an even greater future. We have come a long way, and tonight we celebrate every part of the journey. Every success deserves to be celebrated, and tonight we do just that. This is the night where we take our achievement to the next level.
हर गली घर में है लोहे का बंदा, जिस पे उम्र मिटे लहरा वो झंडा। हर गली घर में है लोहे का बंदा, झंडा लोहा लाठी टूटी चीता योद्धा धुआं शोले, उजले शोले उजलते शोले, जिगरा शोले शोले, चल चल शोले चल शोले, धरती हिला दे ये हर सीमा तोड़े। जिस पे उम्र मिटे लहरा वो झंडा, हर गली घर में है लोहे का बंदा। आजा आजा हमदम एक हम बने, दिल में खुशी गूंजी है धड़कने,
झुके नहीं कभी भी ये पलटने, अरे सुबह हुई तोड़ी सभी बंदिशें।
अपन तो मन में अब भड़के है शोला, दम है किसी का कर मुकाबला। लोहा ज्वाला गोला भाला जगा बेटा बोलो शोले, कर्मठ शोले कलकत्ता शोले, उज्जवल शोले गुजराती शोले,
क्रांति शोले दूर शोले,
वीर सतेज जो तिरतल पेली शोले। जिस पे उम्र मिटे लहरा वो झंडा, हर गली घर में है लोहे का बंदा। छूटे नहीं मिलकर ये हाथ रे, सर पे कफन बांधा है जाट ने। जब भी दिल बाजेगा जीत का, मन नाच उठेगा और दिल झूमेगा। छुड़ाए अंधेरा खुद पे रख तू भरोसा, साथ हमेशा मिले दिल को दिलासा। आजा राजा बाजा जीता जागा ज्वाला ऊंचे शोले, प्रबल ये शोले पंजाबी शोले, भगना ये शोले अंदूरी शोले।
performance. That was absolutely breathtaking. Let's give them a thunderous round of applause.
You truly captured the spirit of Sholay and demonstrated the talent and dedication we nurture here at Saint Wave International. Let's give them one more huge round of applause.
Tonight, we are turning up the heat with a Bollywood dance inspired by the iconic Senorita, a fusion of Bollywood's vibrant energy and passionate rhythms of Latin dance.
Our talented kids have crafted a performance that's a perfect blend of Bollywood expressive storytelling and the sensational move of Latin dance. Get ready for some stunning costumes, sizzling choreography, and a performance that will leave you wanting more. So let's welcome them.
This is the night we honor our achievement and fuel the fire for future success. The energy in this hall is unmatched. Let's make it count. This isn't just another night, it's a celebration of everything we have built. Let's make tonight so legendary, it becomes a part of our story. Tonight, we celebrate the past, present, and future of everything we have achieved. It's time to make some noise. This celebration is about to get legendary. We have reached new heights, and tonight, we celebrate the climb. Tonight, we come together to celebrate who we are and what we have achieved. This gathering is about more than just fun. It's about celebrating all the future hard work and success. The hard work paid off, and tonight we celebrate with all our hearts.
¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado? He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido a toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा, मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है सेन्योरिटा.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा.
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या, दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या सेन्योरिटा. सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या.
Jamás podré interpretar el sentido de las palabras que me dedicas, pero el calor de tu mirar me hace sentir como la más bella señorita.
निगाहों ने निगाहों से कहीं अरमानों की दास्तां है सेन्योरिटा. ये चाहत की मोहब्बत की सारी दुनिया में एक ही जुबान है सेन्योरिटा. मुझसे अब नजर ना फेरो, आओ पास तुम मेरे, मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा.
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या, दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या सेन्योरिटा. सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या. जो भी पल बीता हे सेन्योरिटा, हर पल तुमने है दिल जीता, बस इतनी सी तो बात है.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा.
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या, दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या. चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए
Sensational, what a performance. That was absolutely breathtaking. The chemistry, the energy, the sheer artistry of the dance was truly captivating.
Let's give a thunderous round of applause for the incredible rendition of Senorita.
And the night is just continuing with amazing flair. We have more fantastic performances lined up for you, so don't go anywhere.
The upcoming performance is a dance performance on song Boomero Boomero with its catchy melody and vibrant spirit. It is a celebration of love, joy and the energy of the dance. So let's welcome our talented students on the stage.
This is the night where we celebrate the journey and prepare for what's ahead. Let's make tonight the kind of celebration we'll never forget. Tonight, we honor the past, celebrate the present, and build the future. We have reached our goal, but tonight, we raise the bar even higher. Let's make tonight a night that will be remembered for generations to come. Success is sweet, and tonight, we celebrate it with all our hearts. Let's make tonight a celebration like no other.
बाकी सारे झूठे हाथों से अब मेहंदी का ये रंग कभी ना छूटे। बुम्बरो बुम्बरो शाम रंग बुम्बरो 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 शाम रंग बुम्बरो आए हो किस बगिया से ओ तुम बुम्बरो बुम्बरो शाम रंग बुम्बरो 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 शाम रंग बुम्बरो आए हो किस बगिया से
Wow, what a spectacular performance. That was absolutely mesmerizing. The energy, the expressions were just incredible. So let's give them a well-deserved round of applause for the fantastic rendition of Bumro Bumro. The vibrant costumes, the synchronized movements, and the sheer enthusiasm were breathtaking. We all are proud of the efforts and the hard work they have put in for these performances. Let us please give them a huge round of applause. Now get ready to whistle, get ready to groove and to zoom. Our next performance is on the song Jhume Jo Pathaan from the blockbuster movie Pathaan. Give a huge round of applause for them.
Let's honor the passion and vision that brought us to this moment. Tonight, we come together to celebrate the milestone and make new memories for the future. This is more than just a gathering. It's a celebration of everything we have done and everything we will do. Tonight, we make the impossible seem possible and create unforgettable moments. The energy in the hall is electric. Let's make tonight the best celebration yet. We have conquered challenges. We have achieved greatness. Now let's enjoy the fruits of our hard work. This is a night to celebrate how far we have come and the amazing things still to come.
मोहब्बत करनी है हमने मोहब्बत की है इस दिल के अलावा किसी से भी ना हमने इजाजत ली है हुनर है ये भी इश्क का किसी किसी को आता है जान लुटा के दुश्मन की हमने हिफाजत की है बात करते हैं हजारों है तजुर्बा हमें यारों बात करते हैं हजारों है तजुर्बा हमें यारों ऐसी है बांध लूं मुझ पे वो झूमे जो पठान मेरी जान महफिल ही लुट जाए दे दे जो जुबान मेरी जान उस पे मर मिट जाए जो पठान मेरी जान महफिल ही लुट जाए जो जुबान मेरी जान उस पे मर मिट जाए
मुकाबला कैसे हम करते हैं यार अब की बात तरीका हम बताएंगे
हम बताएंगे कैसे दुश्मन पे हम मरते हैं यार अब की बार तरीका हम बताएंगे
हम बताएंगे यार कर दे जो इशारा दिल में दे दूं
दोबारा यार कर दे जो इशारा
दिल में दे दूं दोबारा यार का
नशा चढ़ा फिदा दुश्मन गले लग जाए जो पठान मेरी जान महफिल ही लुट जाए दे दे जो जुबान मेरी जान उस पे पर मिट जाए जो पठान मेरी जान महफिल ही लुट जाए दे जो जुबान मेरी जान उस पे मर मिट जाए जो पठान मेरी जान महफिल ही लुट जाए दे जो जुबान मेरी जान उस पे मर मिट जाए
Wow, what a phenomenal, outstanding performance. That That was absolutely breathtaking. Our students have showcased their dedication and talent with this spectacular presentation. Let's give a thunderous and huge round of applause for their passion and their hard work. Now, it's time to dive into our Koli culture. Get ready to be transported to the heart of the festivities as the talented dancers present a vibrant and energetic rendition of Me Hai Koli, Sorala Holi.
The Koli community is an integral part of our coastal heritage, and their vibrant tradition are pride for all us. Tonight we have the pleasure to witness a performance that celebrates their rich culture. So let's welcome our talented students as they are taking us on a cultural journey.
Tonight, we celebrate the spirit of teamwork, success, and a future filled with limitless possibilities. We have proven that together we are unstoppable. Let's make tonight a tribute to our unstoppable spirit. Every moment tonight is a reflection of the hard work and dedication we have put in to get here.
हाय कोली सोरील्या डोली र मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हानलन गोली ग चल जाऊ बाजारी हाय कोली सोरील्या डोली र मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हानलन गोली ग चल जाऊ बाजारी मी हाय कोली सोरील्या डोली र मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हानलन गोली ग चल जाऊ बाजारी हाय कोली सोनीला डोली र मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हानलन गोली ग चल जाऊ बाजारी लोकांच्या नजरा पडतील गो तुझ्यावरी चला ग पारू करतेस यो नखरा चल जाऊ बाजारी बेसावच्या बाजारी लोकांच्या नजरा पडतील गो तुझ्यावरी चला ग पारू करतेस यो नखरा चल जाऊ बाजारी चल ग पारू आयली ही हिरो कर बाजारची तयारी निसर्गाची टोपली माथ्यावर ठेवून तुझा बाजारी हाय कोली सोनीला डोली र मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हानलन गोली ग चल जाऊ बाजारी फल्यावरी भिंगांनी पाला काटेरी मावर दिसतई सोनेरी सरकारनी हलवा ताज है मावर पारूचे फल्यावरी भिंगांनी पाला काटेरी मावर दिसतई सोनेरी रे काका ताज है मावर पारूचे फल्यावरी अरे खोलियो नाकवा दर्यांची हानतई मावर सोनेरी हाय कोली सोनीला डोली र मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हानलन गोली ग चल जाऊ बाजारी मी हाय कोली सोरील्या डोली र मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हानलन गोली ग चल जाऊ बाजारी हाय कोली सोनीला डोली र मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हानलन गोली ग चल जाऊ बाजारी हाय कोली सोनीला डोली र मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हानलन गोली ग चल जाऊ बाजारी हाय चोली चोली लडोली रमुगाच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन चोली आणल्यान मुली तो चल जाऊ बाजारी मी हाय चोली चोली लडोली रमुगाच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन चोली आणल्यान मुली तो चल जाऊ बाजारी मी हाय चोली चोली लडोली रमुगाच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन चोली आणल्यान मुली तो चल जाऊ बाजारी.
A truly mesmerizing performance. It was wonderful to see the students showcase the tradition and vibrancy of the Koli community. The dance was not only entertaining but also educational, giving us a glimpse into their rich culture. Let's show them our love with a huge round of applause.
Now the upcoming act is a powerful act which is showcase of strength, discipline and cultural heritage. This upcoming demonstration will take you on a journey through two incredible disciplines, the striking mastery of karate and the traditional skill of latikati. Get ready to witness strength, agility and focus brought to life on stage. We have reached incredible heights and tonight we celebrate with all our might. The best part of the year is finally here. Let's make it unforgettable. Tonight is about more than just memories. It's about making them a reality. This is the night we come together to honor everything we have achieved and everything we will achieve. Tonight is about celebrating our past and creating the future we have always dreamed of. The stage is set, the energy is high, and tonight is going to be unforgettable. This is the night where we shine, inspire and make memories that last forever. Tonight, we are not just celebrating achievements, we are setting the stage for even greater success. Tonight is a celebration of teamwork, passion and the amazing journey we are on together. This night will be remembered for years to come as the night we truly shine. We have achieved so much together. Tonight, we celebrate the limitless possibilities ahead. Tonight, we honor the sacrifices, the efforts, and the collective strength of our team. Together, we have overcome obstacles. Let's celebrate every single trump tonight. The future is bright, and tonight we celebrate the path that will take us there. Every moment tonight is a celebration of everything we have worked for. Let's make it count. We have made it this far and now we celebrate everything that's possible for the future. Tonight is about having fun, celebrating success and getting excited about what's ahead. Together we have done the impossible. Let's celebrate that spirit tonight. Let's raise the bar tonight and celebrate everything we have achieved so far. This is not just a night of celebration, it's a night of limitless potential. Tonight, we celebrate every step and every incredible moment along the way. Let's make tonight legendary and unforgettable, filled with passion, laughter, and joy. Success is sweeter when shared. Tonight, we share it with all of you. We honor the hard work, the passion, and the unstoppable spirit that got us here. This is the moment to reflect and celebrate how far we have come.
मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी पग पग प्यारे दंगल 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 सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे दंगल 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 माँ के पेट से मरघट तक है तेरी पग पग प्यारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, धड़कने छाती में जब दुबक जाती हैं, पीठ थप थपा उनको फिर जगह बात बन जाती है। सावले हाथी सी हर चुनौती है रे, सामने खड़ी घूर के बड़ी आंख दिखलाती है, तो आंख से उसकी आंख मिला के भिड़ जाने का नाम है प्यारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, मजबूत भरोसा अपने सपनों पे करना, जितने मुंह उतनी बातें, गौर कितनों पे करना। आज लोगों की बारी, जो कहें कह लेने दे, तेरा भी दिन आएगा उस दिन हिसाब चुका के रहना। है प्यारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे। दंगल दंगल बिजली के बाद बूंदे हैं गर्जना, जो निकले हैं धक धक से, इसके गरम से खत्म हुआ। निर्भय होकर भय को बांधा, मालिक ही भगवान हुआ। देखो 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 अंगार है सुल्तान, देखो 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 ललकार है सुल्तान, देखो 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 अंगार है सुल्तान, देखो 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 ललकार है सुल्तान। ललकार के युद्ध जीत लिया, लोट पूरा किया है चुनौती। जो निकले हैं धक धक से, इसके गरम से खत्म हुआ। निर्भय होकर भय को बांधा, मालिक ही भगवान हुआ। जीत लिया वीरा,
we have witnessed the power and beauty of martial arts. While distinct in origin, traditions share common threads: discipline, respect, focus, and the pursuit of excellence.
These martial arts are not just about physical proves, they are about cultivating character and inner strength. A heartfelt thanks to all our performers. Everyone, please give a huge round of applause for them. I would like to thank respected Principal Ma'am, the management, and all my dear teachers for their efforts for this wonderful program.
Indeed, the evening was amazing and mesmerizing. All our lovely friends have put in huge effort, so give a huge round of applause for them.
Now, here I declare that the program has come to an end, and I hope and believe that all the parents sitting here have had an amazing evening tonight. Thank you once again.